Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look here. To create this look, I use the It's My Pleasure palette from Colourpop, and it looks like this on the inside. So pretty. This is probably one of my favorite palettes right now. It's perfect for spring with all these purples. And it's just so stinking pretty. So if you guys want to see how I got this really pretty purple glam look using the It's My Pleasure palette from Colourpop, then keep watching. The first shade I'm going into is Kitten Fish, and I'm using my Morphe M441 brush to blend it out. I'm kind of just using Kitten Fish as a transition shade. This is the lightest matte purple shade that is in the palette, so it's a good transition shade if you're going for an all purple look. Next, I'm going in with Kitten Fish and Fan Fiction, and I am just, again, blending these out in the crease. This one I did take a little while to blend out. It wasn't hard to blend out or anything. I just took a long time because it is pretty pigmented. I was not expecting it. So just take your time if you do have this palette. Next, I'm going in with Kitten Fish, Fan Fiction, and Sleeper, and I am just popping that in the crease, really focusing that shade first on the outer V and just blending it out a lot as per usual because all I do is blend, and I'm still blending it out, just making sure it's just right. Next, I'm going in with Mr. Sandman, and I'm using my finger to apply this to the lid. This is my favorite shade in the palette. It is gorgeous. I was dying to use it. This shade in the light, you can kind of tell as I'm blending it, there's like a pretty reflect from the light. Oh my god, it is just so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. Next, I'm just blending everything out one more time because I wanted to make sure it looked good. Now I'm going back in with all three of those crease shades, Kitten Fish, Fan Fiction, and Sleeper, and I'm just putting those on the outer V with my finger. I know it looks crazy at first, but I really wanted them to be nice and deep on the outer V and make sure they were how I wanted them. But don't worry, I do go back in and blend it all out right now. Didn't put anything on the brush, but I'm just blending everything out, especially that outer V area, to make sure it doesn't look too crazy. Just, you know, gotta make sure it's all good. And I'm going in with my Morphe M330 just to blend again. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my face off camera, and I am back. And for lips, I am using the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee, and I'm just applying that to my lips. So off camera, I did apply the three crease shades really close to the waterline. I just forgot to film it because I was in the zone. But anyway, Creme Brulee I feel like really completed the look because it's just like a really pretty pinky nude, and I think it looks really pretty with the purple eyes. So this is the completed look. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter because I am super active on there. So go follow me. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.